How does a dermatology practice's online reputation affect its revenue and longevity? Review is revenue. Of all the items that can make or break a dermatology practice's revenue and longevity, one of the top items is its online reputation. As per a survey by Deloitte, 90% of executives said that reputation was the most significant risk area for a company. That makes Google reviews for a dermatology practice not just important, but imperative. 88% of executives admitted that their companies were actively managing reputation risk. What about you? How does a good online reputation for your dermatology clinic help your revenue? A good reputation and positive reviews helps your target audience of potential dermatology patients looking for your services trust you more and trust you enough to call and to book appointments for the high revenue procedures from you. 95% of consumers, i.e., your dermatology patients, report trusting a practice with a positive reputation. We saw what executives think about a company's reputation. What about consumers? What do they think about your dermatology clinic's online reputation? A study by Trustpilot reveals that consumers ranked a positive internet reputation as the #1 most important factor when determining which business to frequent, even above the quality of products and services. So, consumers are choosing your dermatology practice and services if your reviews are positive over that of someone else, even if they have better, cheaper, or more fancy offers. On the other hand, all your advertising dollars are a waste. If potential dermatology patients go to your Google My Business and find your number of reviews to be inadequate, star rating below par, that you have negative reviews, you are not responding as you should. Your reviews are not seen where they look for most often, and not displayed in ways that are attractive and reassuring to them, thus forcing them to go elsewhere, to the next guy. That's how reviews translate into dollars. When 3/4 of your dermatology patients trust a clinic more, if it has positive reviews, you want to find a way to get more positive reviews in Google My Business reviews. In later videos, we will talk about how to get Google reviews easily. Want an immediate 10% increase in revenue today, before you even get started? If a quick 10% increase in revenue sounds good to you, then your thoughts should center around how to get Google reviews for my business. Image and reputation are just as important as finances and associations. Germany, Kent. The impact of positive online reviews for business. For individuals and organizations alike, a reputation is far easier to destroy than it is to build. Andrew Griffin. Over 90% of people say that positive reviews make them more likely to frequent a business. Want repeat patients and dermatology referrals? Focus on how to get Google reviews for my business. 86% feel that online business reviews are as trustworthy as personal recommendations from friends or family. So online reputation with online reviews has now become the new word of mouth, since 85% of consumers, your dermatology patients, trust online reviews as much as personal recommendations. There is no advertisement as powerful as a positive reputation traveling fast. Brian Koslow. In the next video, we will take a look at how to deal with negative online reviews, and tips on how to get more reviews on Google, and get reviews for Google My Business. Remember, review is revenue. When you're not around, your reputation will speak for you. Frank Sonnenberg. And remember what the good book says, your reputation goes before you, making room for you. So, if you want more patients, start at getting more reviews for your dermatology practice. Go ahead and request your dermatology clinic's online presence report we are offering at no charge to you, for a limited time, to help you see where the vulnerabilities are, and what you can do to beat the competition. For best results, and higher revenue opportunity, make sure you have enough reviews, mostly positive reviews, and the right number of star ratings, for potential new dermatology patients, to trust you, and book the high revenue procedures with you. Wishing you success, on behalf of Dr. Raj, this is Annie signing off.